Welcome to Pete's Knowledge Corner. In this video, I am going to talk about an interesting topic, that is importance of play. Play is the main work of children. Play is an activity engaged in for enjoyment and recreation, especially by children, but play can also occur at any stage of life. Play is essential to development because it contributes to the cognitive, physical, social, and emotional well being of children and youth. Play also offers an ideal opportunity for parents to engage fully with their children, and the benefits derived from play is for both children and parents. The first years of life shape a child's future into adulthood. This is when the most significant brain development happens, particularly in the first 2 years of life. For most people, learning involves acquiring a specific new skill such as memorizing alphabets, counting, writing, etc. Many parents believe that playing is only for fun and involves no actual learning. However, according to studies, playing is learning. Children learn through playing. The importance of play in early childhood cannot be underestimated because playing is essential to a child's growth. When children play, they are developing skills in all areas of development like cognitive, physical, communication, and social, emotional, etc. So, play is a vital part in children's life. So, here are the importance of play. Play promotes healthy habits by actively engaging children in the world around them. Play is a natural stress reliever and an outlet that allows children to work through their anxiety and fears. Play allows children to test out new ideas and make connections between their previous experiences and their active investigations. And it stimulates early brain development. Infants' brains are equipped with an overabundance of brain cell connections. Synapse overproduction allows information captured from the early years to build a foundation from the brain. An environment enriched with play and play materials provides the perfect life experiences to build that foundation. If those experiences are absent, the related synapse will be lost. And next, improve intelligence. Early playing is also found to be associated with higher intelligence later in life. Spark creative thinking. The most obvious benefit of playing is that it increases a child's creativity. Play allows individual to deliver the creativity in a certain way. It allows person to discover why and how things are done within a certain framework or finding new or different solutions to it. Next, it improves communication, vocabulary, and language. The link between early play and later communication skill is evident in many researches. Promote impulse control and emotion regulation. Self-regulation is one of the most essential skills for school readiness. Well-regulated children can wait for a turn, resist the temptation to grab objects from other children, control negative emotions, and persist through challenging activities. Emotional regulation is not only essential for academic success, but it can also predict a child's social success. In preschool, children who exhibit better emotional control are more likable and socially competent. Next, grow social competence and empathy. Playing is crucial in enhancing social development in children. Unstructured active play with others, including parents, siblings, and peers, is a significant opportunity to cultivate social skills. While playing, the act of pretending as well as negotiating with peers enhances children's social skills. Playing also provides opportunity for children to learn social interaction. While playing together, child learn to cooperate, follow the rules, develop self-control, and generally get along with other people. Next, better physical and mental health. We already know that play promotes emotion regulation, which is very vital for a child's resilience and mental health. Playing that involves physical activities promotes motor skills, strength, and endurance, which benefits physical health. Play also teach life lessons. Play helps children develop the ability to solve problems. When children act out life's problems when pretending playing, it helps them cope up with the struggles in their own ways. It also provides a safe opportunity for children to rehearse skills and future social roles. When children try out various roles, they learn to take on different perspectives, which will further assist them in abstract thinking too. It also strengthens relationship with caretakers and peers. Parents who play with their children form a stronger bond with them. Even a simple game like peekaboo can become a special bonding moment for parents and children. These interactions provide positive life experiences that stimulate children's brain development. Children also make their own decisions during playing. They begin to make connections between their choices and the natural consequences of those choices. The spontaneity of play promotes risk taking as children interact with materials and their environment. The sense of the unknown helps children develop mentally flexibility and executive function. Likewise, I can talk many things how play is important for the overall development of a child. The key to help your child reach his potential without the added anxiety is to find the right balance between work and play. So, dear parents, give kids ample unscheduled time to be creative, to reflect and to decompress. Encourage your children to engage in active play like running around or playing tag instead of passive entertainment like video games or television. Buy your children toys such as blocks or dolls that encourage imagination and creativity. Spend unscheduled, unstructured time together with your kids. Ask your child regularly whether he or she feels overtired, burnt out, or overscheduled. Allow your children to have a say in which extracurricular activities they are involved in. Get involved in your child's school and take an active role in ensuring that all kids are getting ample free time. Here I conclude. Remember, play is a cherished part of childhood. By finding the right balance between work and play, your children will grow up happier, better adjusted, and more prepared to conquer the world. Last but not least, happy, playful moments are some of the most precious gifts we can give our children. And children's right to play is a human right.